Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for computer science. First, prioritize a deep understanding of fundamental concepts like data structures and algorithms. Don't just memorize, truly grasp the why behind everything. Next, consistent coding practice is non-negotiable. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to writing and debugging code. Finally, actively seek out and solve diverse programming challenges to sharpen your problem-solving abilities and apply theoretical knowledge effectively. To learn effectively, immerse yourself in hands-on coding projects. These real-world applications solidify your understanding far more than passive reading. Make reviewing data structures and algorithms a daily habit. Consistent exposure reinforces these critical building blocks. Furthermore, don't hesitate to collaborate with peers. Discussing complex problems and working together on solutions can provide new perspectives and deepen your comprehension significantly, making learning a more dynamic process. Mastering computer science concepts involves active recall and diverse learning. Try explaining complex ideas aloud as if teaching someone else. This reveals gaps in your understanding. Leverage the vast array of online resources, from tutorials to academic papers, to gain multiple perspectives on challenging topics. Most importantly, embrace debugging. Systematically identifying and fixing errors in your code is one of the most powerful ways to learn and truly understand how programs function. For continuous growth in computer science, consistently build and refine a portfolio of diverse projects. This showcases your skills and passion to potential employers or collaborators. Always stay updated with emerging technologies and industry trends. The field evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is key. And speaking of things that make life better, if your car needs a refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep exploring, keep building, and keep learning to excel in your CS journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.